Hi everyone, welcome to Data Point Masters. Have you ever wanted to filter the results after grouping data in SQL? For example, if you want to show only departments with more than 5 employees, or grouping elements by department, or counting the number of employees in each department, or displaying only departments with more than 5 employees. The second example we can say like displaying products with total sales which are greater than 50,000, and also finding customers who placed more than 10 orders. So the where clause cannot solve all these problems. That's why we can use having clause. So in this video, you will learn the SQL having clause with simple examples, and also I will cover interview questions of having clause and real world use cases. Let's get started. What is having clause? The having clause filters groups of rows after the data has been grouped using the group by clause. Think of it like this. Where clause will filter the records. Group by will group the elements or rows. Having clause will filter the group by records. Let us see the syntax. The syntax is very simple. We can use like select column name, aggregate function from table name, group by column name, having aggregate function. So having can be used to filter aggregate function column name with the condition. There are many aggregate functions that we can use with the having clause. For example, count, which will return the number of rows, sum, which will return the total sum of values, average, which can return the average of values, minimum and max, which will return the smallest and the largest of the records in the table. Let us consider this table where we have EMP ID, name, department and salary. I have added one more column called city. So let us see the example how to do the having clause with MySQL Workbench. So first we will see how to use having clause with count function. So I have a employee table here. So here select star from demodb.employees, so where it will be displaying employee ID, name, department, salary and city. So if I want to use the count with select, I can use like this: select department, count of asterisk or star. So I can name it as number of employees from the table name employees group by department. Having clause, I can use having count of asterisk greater than. So here if you see here I have IT department, okay, and I have HR department and finance and sales. Okay, so I can use a count of star greater than 2. So I don't have any department which is greater than 2. I will make it as greater than 1. So it should filter the count of star which is greater than 1. So let us greater than 1. So let us execute this. So I have IT department which is greater than 2. Next one we can see having with average function. So here average function is used for finding the average of the records, and here we are grouping the average of records using some column like department. Now for example, let's find out department where average salary is greater than 60,000. The query can be select department average of salary as avg underscore salary from employees group by department having average of salaries greater than 60,000. So here it will group employees by department, and also it will calculate the average salary for each department, and it will filter departments where the average salary is greater than 60,000. So let us see this example in MySQL Workbench. Department, comma, AVG, salary as average salary from the table name employees group by department having count having AVG salary greater than 50,000 semicolon. So it will first find the average of salary, and it will group by the department, and it will find the condition average salary is greater than 50,000. So here greater than 50,000 we have two records, that is finance average salary is 65,000 and IT which has average salary is 75,000. Next one we will see the difference between where clause and having clause. So this is the most common SQL interview question. So where will filter rows, having will filter groups, executes it will execute before group by, and having it will execute after group by, and and where clause cannot use with aggregate functions, whereas having clause can be used or must be used with aggregate functions. Next one, we'll see some of the real world use cases. Having is used in most business scenarios. For example, customers with more than 5 orders. Or if I want to find the products with sales above 1 lakh. And if you want to find departments with average salaries above 75,000. And I want to find cities with more than 100 customers. Also, there are many SQL interview questions where having clause can be used. For example, interviews often ask questions like find departments with more than 5 employees, or display customers whose total purchase exceeds 50,000, or otherwise find products whose average rating is greater than 4.5. Also, they can ask what is the difference between where and having. So please well prepare with this having clause. What are the key takeaways of this session? So where it will filter rows, group by it will create groups, having will filter groups, and having is mostly common with all the aggregate functions like count, sum, average, min, max, etc. So if you are preparing for SQL interviews, mastering having clause is very much essential. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Data Point Masters for more SQL tutorials. So more advanced concepts like explain with expression, I will be creating the videos. So please see to that. So these topics are very much